C's which are necessary.
Okay.
First is confidence in yourself, like self-belief in yourself, that yes, you can do it. Second is consistency, because in CA Inter there is very much less time as compared to foundation, because the syllabus is too vast in CA Inter, and giving both groups together, it's very much hectic. And the third thing is conceptual clarity.
Hello everyone, I am Chirag Agarwal here and I secured AIR1 in CS Executive December 2021 term. I am very thankful to MOHIT AGARWAL Sir, whose continued guidance, support and all his classes has helped me secure my target. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Disha Boswal. I have recently secured All India first rank in CMA Inter examinations held in June 2022. I had taken my law classes from MOHIT AGARWAL Sir of MEPL classes. The charts and the notes provided by Sir made the concept simpler and easier to understand, and that's the reason I have also chosen MEPL for my CMA final law classes. I thank MEPL for the continued love and support they show towards the students. Thank you.
All of his guidance has helped me to secure All India Rank 1. He has been very inspiring throughout, and I used to watch all his videos, and the way he teaches is amazing in itself.
This gentleman also secured rank in the intermediate level of CMA as well as CA final. Which subject did you take from MEPL?
Corporate law, sir.
And how much did you score?
80 marks, sir.